Hello students, my name is Monish Narsen. I'm a CAD faculty at IIG. We have already covered how to make J Bali and U Bali, and some students have also requested a tutorial on Round Bali, also known as Huggies. So without wasting any time, let's see how to do that. Now for Round Bali, just go in front view, and let's say we'll take a circle over here, same 0, enter, and this time we'll go for 10 mm over here, left click, and let's go in perspective. For now we have got a circle over here, and we'll do is for the rest of this we'll just hide them. I will again go in front view, select this part, offset, outside, same 2.1. We'll just do is select this thing, loft, and in perspective we'll just do is go and extrude this thing, extrude surface both side, that is 1.5, like this. Okay, once we are done with the metal, okay, remember once we are done with this thing, we'll go for hinge over here. So in front view, same process. Let's say we'll do is take a line over here, keep chord on, from chord over here, curve, take a circle. We'll do is, let's keep mid on, and we'll do 2.2 over here. We'll select this thing, and we can do is just do extrude, and we'll do is Boolean difference, solid, enter, and delete this portion. Okay, so we have got a cut over here. We can do is do surface layer different thing and hide this thing. Once we have got this thing, we'll select the curve over here. Let's go in front itself. We'll do the offset of 0.7 over here, and we'll take the measurement here as well to confirm this thing, chord to chord 0.8. That is perfect. Once we have got this thing, we'll select this thing, select the inner circle, and same process we'll just do is extrude curve. Currently we'll not go for both side because we are currently on the left side, so we'll just both side as no, and on the right side we'll go 1.5, sorry, 1 mm, and just right click like this. We'll confirm in perspective. We have got our first hinge over here. Now we can do is just go in right view again, mirror this on the opposite side, press alt. Even I can do is I can do a shortcut over here. I will just press alt over here, click on the arrow over here, and -1, enter. Now if we see, we have got a 3 hinge over here. Okay, so our metal part is done, our hinge is done over here. Now for the pipe part over here, we'll go in front view. Now we'll take a line over here, 0, enter, upside, like this. Okay, once we have made a line over here, I will just click this thing, offset 3 mm on the right side and 3 mm on the left side. Once we have done this thing, I will do is select the metal part over here, and we'll just do is split with these two side curves, enter, and we'll delete the center part over here. You can do is ungroup this thing and select the delete the center part. Let's hide the surface part. Okay, and we have got a cut over here. Currently it is hollow, so we'll just select this thing and you can cap this thing. Same goes for the right one as well. Once we are done with this thing, now for the pipe over here, first we'll do is for round bali we always make a stopper over here. So we'll do is, let's say we'll type duplicate face border. We'll get a border of this thing, enter. We'll just do click on the arrow and -0.7, enter. And we'll do is extrude curve on the inner part, that is 0.65, and left. somewhat like this. Same thing we want on the outer side of this thing, so we'll just select this thing, mirror 0, enter, shift select to get this on the opposite side. Now once we have got our border over here, we'll go right view. I'll just do is take a circle over here. Let's say we'll just do grid snap on over here. Select this thing 1 mm, left click. I'll just drag this thing down like this, grid snap off. Let's go in perspective. Currently it is in the center of this thing. Okay, so I'll confirm that is properly in the center of this thing. So you can either do is, I will just do is, let's say first we'll just group this thing, group the opposite part as well, and hide both of them. Now we can do is, we properly want this in the center of this thing. So you can do is, we don't want any of this curve rather than this and this. So I'll go in right view. We can do is take a line over here. Let's do mid, top to bottom. I will just move this thing from the center of this part to the mid of a line over here. Now I got properly on the mid of this thing. Now I will do is show. Even this part have been shown, so we can hide them again. Go in perspective, select curve. I just want this curve and hide the rest. Now you can do is select this thing. Let's go in front view, and with this red arrow dot I will just drag this thing and shift select so it gets on both sides like this, and like this, done. Okay, and over here as well we'll just do is Boolean difference, select this portion, enter, delete input no, so this portion, enter. If I just drag this thing, you can see a hole over here. This is just for the rendering purpose. Once we are done with this thing, remember to select this and the two parts over here and group them and place them separately, and just for this as well, one hinge and one metal part, and group them as well. Once we are done this thing, let's say I will just do show over here. I will hide curves. Always do is hide curves in last. So I'll just do select curve, no curves, hide. So we need to do is, we even need to cap this. Capped, done. So once we are done with this thing, we have our U Bali, J Bali and Round Bali ready for us over here. So that's it for today guys, till we meet in our next video. Thank you.